The next airdrop we're going to do is HEX. We're going to click on the Deschan Telegram bot. Can you put a like and subscribe to the video down below? We got a lot of these coming up. This is a big airdrop. With the start button, you should have this bot link down below of whatever you're looking at right now. You're going to type this in. Type that in. Do it again. So now we're going to go to the airdrop. It's going to say go to Telegram group. So we'll go to the Telegram group. Click on that. Let's go back to the HEX Airdrop bot. Go to their channel. Join their channel. You're going to go back to the HEX Airdrop bot. And we're going to go to follow on Twitter. So we're going to open this. We're going to hit follow. And then it also wants you to go down here and retweet this pinned post. So you're going to like. And then you're going to retweet as well. Then you're going to go to your Twitter. You're going to go click on your face. You're going to write to your thing. You're going to go here. You're going to go up to the top, copy and paste the URL up top, above. So get that copied. Just leave that up. We go back to the bot. And then we're going to go to the founder Twitter, retweet, pinned post, 20 points. So we're going to go follow this. This is the next one we're going to follow. We're going to like this. We're going to retweet this pinned post as well. We're going to bring that down. Then we're going to go to Facebook and follow on Facebook. So on Facebook, just click like and follow. If you always click the like button, it will always follow as well. Make sure it goes highlighted. Pop up the Facebook, go to the YouTube channel. Open up on the YouTube channel. And then we're going to go up here and subscribe to this guy's channel. And then we're going to go down here and hit submit details. Then we're going to hit joined. And we also joined the channel. Here it wants it wants you to put your Twitter profile link, so you make sure it's a link up in the ULR for this. And it wants your Facebook profile link. You're going to put your ULR in there as well. So you're going to click on this. Next, it's asking for your YouTube channel, which you're going to find up in the top. You'll see a link on your right-hand side when you pop on your own profile. So you'll get that. You'll pop that in here. Paste that in. Then it wants your ERC20 address, so you'll put that in. Just copy and paste that into there. Paste that in. Click Next. Let's see what happens when we hit main menu here. Okay, it shows your balance, total balance, referrals. You can get your referral link right here. Copy that. You can put that somewhere. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're powering through a bunch today. We're probably going to get about 10 done. And that's the end of this video, and we're on to the next.